Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Scrabble online. First, select a popular platform like Scrabble Go or Words with Friends. Next, you will need to create a new account or simply log in if you already have one. Take a moment to explore the main menu and understand the basic layout before diving into your first match. This initial setup is quick, usually taking less than 2 minutes. To begin, tap on the Start New Game button or look for an option like Find Opponent. You can choose to invite a friend directly using their username, or let the system pair you with a random player from anywhere in the world. Once the game loads, you will see the empty board and your first 7 letter tiles at the bottom of your screen, ready for your opening move. Gameplay involves dragging your chosen letter tiles from your rack onto the board to form a valid word. Remember to utilize bonus squares, such as double letter score or triple word score, to significantly increase your points. If you cannot form a word, you have the option to exchange some or all of your tiles, or simply pass your turn. Each game typically lasts between 10 and 20 minutes. To improve your game, practice consistently and try to learn new words. Many platforms offer daily challenges that provide excellent opportunities to earn bonus coins and test your skills. You can also join online clubs or forums to interact with other Scrabble enthusiasts, share strategies, and even find new opponents for friendly matches. There are often thousands of active players online at any given moment.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.